Ever had those annoying hiccups that just won't stop? Let's find out why they happen. Hiccups start when your diaphragm, that's the muscle below your lungs, suddenly contracts. This quick contraction forces air into your throat, and your vocal cords snap shut, making that classic hic sound. Triggers? Eating too fast, drinking soda, or even sudden excitement can set them off. So how do you stop them? Try holding your breath, sipping cold water, or swallowing a spoonful of sugar. Next time hiccups hit, you'll know exactly what's going on inside your body and how to fight back.